After creating the elbow shape, go to the Family Category and Parameters panel and set the category to Pipe Fittings with the part type specified as elbow. Next, create pipe connectors on the two end planes of the reference arc. Once both connectors are placed, select them, and under the Mechanical section, set their system type to Fitting. Assign the nominal diameter parameter to control their diameters, and make sure the angle parameter is properly set. Designate one connector as the primary connector, then link the two connectors together to establish a proper connection relationship. When everything is set, click Save to store your family. Now, open a test project that uses the same pipe type compatible with the fitting you just created. Select an existing pipe, go to Edit Type, and under the Segments and Fittings section, click Edit Routing Preferences. Choose Load Family, and import the elbow family you just made. In the elbow category, select your custom elbow, click All Sizes, then press OK to confirm. Finally, draw a new pipe and create a few turns. You'll see that Revit now automatically applies your custom elbow at each bend, using the fitting you built from the Lookup table.
Looking for piping catalogs you can trust? At pipingcontent.com, you'll find ready-to-use libraries for AutoCAD Plant 3D, Revit, Smart 3D, E3D, and more. Get instant access to valves, fittings, and components. Click on the link below in description section and explore pipingcontent.com today.